Well, it fits pretty darn good. It looks a little on the fat side. It'll stick down just a fuzz. You can see it rise up. It should be more flush there. There it goes. That's about how it's going to look. It'll be about 1.5 millimeters below the apron. That gives me about 3 millimeters of thickness that I'd like. And then I'm going to get the 3 trucks put together. I'm not sure I've got them set right. This one looks like it's a little too far back. It might need to come forward or towards the rear. I think that's the rear. Yeah, that's the rear. So that the coupler hangs out a little more. All depends. I got to get one built. I got them over there. I do have an elongated piece. See how this, if this was on the center, it'd be way short. I have an elongated piece, but I'm not sure it's going to be elongated enough. I may have to move this hole up in order to get it going, even with the elongated one. And that'll get us the coupler where we need it, right at this end of this piece, okay? And I think I'm going to try to print a step so I can fix that. Then I'll just start building assembling the components and putting them on here. I mimic everything I've done on the other engine to make sure continuity and testing works and all that stuff. And we should have a Hudson next gen stuff for the reverse and boiler Hudsons, or even if the Hudson has the metal smoke, you can take all of the components and use them and have sound and DC motor and digital reverse and stuff like that. So there is an advantage in going this either way. It's one of the reasons why I went ahead and did this. A lot of Hudsons, they're good looking, and if you can jack them up a little bit, I think that makes them exciting. So all right, time for my workout. All right, later.